In a beautiful village, there is a loving couple who have waited a long time for this special day. After many days of love and dreams, today is finally the day they will be married. Because it is a love marriage, the bride and groom are overflowing with happiness, and their entire family is celebrating with joy. Wedding preparations are happening everywhere. The bride is getting dressed, the groom will arrive soon, and the house is filled with the aroma of delicious food being cooked for the guests. With so many relatives and well-wishers arriving, the whole atmosphere is alive with laughter, excitement, and celebration. The groom has finally arrived at the bride's home, and now the beautiful wedding ceremony is ready to begin as both families come together to celebrate this special moment. Meanwhile, all the cooking preparations are going on here. Everyone is busy cutting vegetables which will be used to prepare today's delicious wedding feast. Here, the chef has placed a huge pot on the stove and started cooking. First, he adds enough oil to the pot, then chopped chili, chopped onions, ginger paste, spice paste, cumin, cardamom, bay leaves, yogurt, cashew nuts, and many other spices. After that, the meat is added and cooked slowly with the spices until it becomes rich and flavorful. Now, some basmati rice is being half-boiled with a few light spices and a small amount of salt. Now the half-boiled rice is being added on top of the meat. After that, some fried onions and the right amount of ghee are added over it to make the dish even more flavorful and delicious. The cooking is finally complete, and now the husband and wife will sit together with all their relatives to enjoy the meal. Now that everyone has finished the meal, the family and relatives begin gathering together to bid farewell to the new bride. As they walk with her, the atmosphere is filled with a mix of joy, emotion, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our Mini Crumb Kitchen channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.